Okay, welcome to Louis Home. This is one of our production workshop. Okay, there are some instructions and there are some injection machines. This is a very smart workshop because we do not need to have people in it because all of these machines are automatic. Okay, the product will just goes down these lines. You can see the clearance. You can check the transparency of the product and see there is no foggy marks, no flow marks. And what you see is what you get. Then the product will just go through these lines and it will move to here. And then see at the end of this length there is a small window and the product will just move to this window and the workers will the workers set on the site will just cut down the injection gate. They will just cut this off.